Yeah, what's up, guys? So, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night to wherever country and wherever continent you're watching us from. So, welcome to Prof FOREX. This is Prof, the founder and CEO of Prof FOREX Academy. So, if you're seeing us for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and let us set notifications. So, each time I post a video like this, YouTube can easily get me with a pen. I need to consult with direct others who are new to this video. So, for some time now, I have been given I have been given a breaking down to my students and to my followers on YouTube. I have been documenting that here today, talking about the chat. So, what do I have to? Why am I doing this? Is I just want to refresh my students' brain and the brain of our YouTube and to those who are on our signal channel to understand why and how we take this trip. It is not a copy stuff. We got it directly from the chat and we extract it. After we done, after we are done with the extraction, after we are done with the extraction, then I deliver the message to my people on the Telegram channel. So if you're not join us, please, you are missing a lot. You need to be there. And if you're not subscribed, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and join. So in today's video, we'll be talking on the weekly analysis breakdown, part 7. Yeah. So now part 6 is part 7. So I promise maybe by next weekend we'll be on Twitter live. We'll be talking on Twitter, I'll be sharing here on YouTube. So how what I want will be let's dive in. So as you can see here, first thing every weekend if I wake up, first thing I do is I turn on my eye and low of the week, and I tell you that getting this eye and low, getting this eye and low of getting this eye and low of the week, getting this eye and low of the week, I go to my 4 hours time frame, get something on my section break. I get in section break just to determine the first candle that comes for the day and and the second and the second candle. As you can see, this Sunday is a O2. So this is the first candle, the eye of it that point first. As you can see, this is the bearish, the low candle. This is the first candle, but it moves. This is the first open price, and the close price of the second candle. So I think my lot of week to determine to determine the overall trade. Then after determining the overall trade, after determining after determining the overall trade, yeah. So after determining the overall trade, I have to close it then go to the 1 hour time frame. After closing on the 1 hour time frame, what I have to do is I have to determine an entry trigger. We have the interval as a day trader again. I took my entry basically on 15 minutes time. Then after I've done down this on yesterday, which is good, I came to my 1 hour time frame chart. Then I determined the trend. Let's say for instance, it looks below it, so we were expecting to be selling more for the week. So first thing here, this one, let me go to 15 minutes time for my two entries. As you can see, this is the first entry that happened. On this zone here is a support zone here. It's coming from a very far distance. This is a support zone that trend after push up from last week. So I just know that I'm doing. I cannot take this trade. I did not take this trade. Is number one. I was waiting for price to confirm the last zone second and then before the drop. After second trade, I'm going. Number two was I needed a confirmation because during early this weekend, if not for the cut down of the exchange rate on the USD, I guess the USD was fucking in recession. So I have to no point, but it cannot wait. Then you push up to this zone. That's what I always do. When you get to this my goal of the week, I don't need to have another conferences before I buy, before I show. Because guys determine is retested. So I'm going to retest it. This one, one, two, three. And I saw something like a head and shoulder pattern here. So I have to took an entry exactly from this zone. Then it runs straight to this one. Then we make some force here, which we will do. And we use it to sort some base and pay if we got some stuff. Then after I come to the zone, this is a trade line that is coming from a far distance. I cannot trade take this thing. Then I saw this price came to this zone. This is a psychological level of 2,450. So I'm talking on that psychological level on gold any moment from now. So it can be zone, you actually test it again. A drop with take profit. Then when I say then, you say then this has to on this zone, you mean that any you see box as I always say on my chart is you understand. You always understand that somebody took an entry here and participated here. So I'm not going to take a short. Yeah, wanted to sell for me, remember. It's not me and I take a massive loss. Even though if I show you guys, if I show you guys my web account and trade, you will see that we have took loss. I took a massive loss and I had to close. I was waiting for a retest. I wish I could do this video on Instagram. I share how I was doing the structural breakout the strategy, which week was that. So during the year, I got to this zone. After this zone, the delay have brought down the estimate of the dollar just to stable it. So I saw this zone here. I went and took an entry from here. Why don't I took an entry from it? And there was this minor news that was about to happen. I said, so buy limit option there. So immediately it triggered, it clicked it, spike, it started going to go. So this was how we did. We ended up one breaking, we ended up one breaking, two profits each, one loss. So that was how our week ended trading good. So let's talk about the Euro USD. Last week I couldn't trade much on Euro USD. I couldn't trade more on Euro USD because I would basically focus on SLUSD and GBP USD because of my talent and Euro USD was not giving me the vibe I want and the vibe I knew that I've been trading with. So same strategy to trade, look up, check in, yeah, no, which then you can tell me how it will go. So after I wake up, you saw this entry. I saw this entry. And I know react because it was Monday. But I was waiting for the confirmation. And after we had a big start and it test immediately I see this retest zone, I have to buy for them. For this psychological level, we took profits. So after I took the zone, I wanted to buy for them. I won't take an entry. I got busy doing some other thing. So I cannot take an entry and the price go to this zone. From the W pattern and just people. Even if you go to this zone, I wanted to buy. Because I wanted to buy because it should break out and continues going up because when you go to trade, check the forward time frame. Let me check the forward time. As you can see here, after the breakout from the NFE, it has been surging mightily high. So we wanted to continue. I think it's a point ready to continue from the uptrend. Though immediately this breakout, it has confirmed that it will be buying more for the week. So but based on the cut of the rate of dollar, so we even know we ended up taking two losses, no, three losses, one of the USD. Eventually, check that I'm going to get my GBP USD too. Real. And so also just going to say, yeah, this one is actually maybe I saw this one number one is a trading strategy. The break something, number two, this might have a thing. I don't think to buy or something. Look at this trading. It's coming from a far distance, and I want to do the shit. So after looking, I'm going it, then to connect to them soon. To to vision, to vision. I'm going to continue here. I got stuck on it and continue to vision. There was like a resistance zone that I woke up. There, it came out a break. I wanted to, I saw for me, it breaks, immediately breaks into, I wait, and it will test. What happened yet to let me trace support and resistance? You could say here that resistance, don't support acting like resistance. And I saw for me, it consolidate, 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 and keep going up. Then immediately come in, what want to say for me? This was my last trip for the week. This was the last day that I took. So what was the reason here? Why have been looking for it? And I was telling this trading, no, this living on reason to determine my direction. Then after everything, after everything, when I tried focus, I tried doing it, I took an entry there. So this was how I recover some even the percentage that I make trading trading the coin. I lost, I make it back. But as you can see, there was when I lost some flows because I quickly found that $20. I wanted to flip it to this or weekend to do some stuff. Then I lost. Immediately I made my $10, but I wanted like 20 because I have a budget of them. Then it breaks out in this zone. Nothing breaks out. Yeah, this was how week ended. So what we're talking about, like there will be a lot of fundamental next week, like blogging. We will have CPI. CPI is next week. France is next week. We have a lot of news next week. So next week, I'm expecting the dollar attack, like consolidation. Like I'm expecting more weight on the dollar because it will just be cut of rate that happens last week. I mean, I'm talking about the fundamental. It will just the cut of the rate. It will just the cut of it will just the the cut of rates by the Fed, by the Reserve that makes some stuff. So this this will be this will be enough. So expect CPI and CPI level and it's much more volatile than the NFP. So you just the hype by the NFP go, but then the NFP people are more common than the CPI. So watch out for a lot to happen by next week. And to wish you all a comfortable week. And I wish you all pass our challenges and get through them this week. So if us we are sending mentors, if you might we are sending students, you can apply for our mentorship and watch out for signals, join to the community and do the best. So please, everybody.